Blyatttt. Ini Blyatttt. Suka. Okay, how to remember salts? Okay, salts. Okay, first you have snap. Okay, snap all soluble. Okay, yeah, soluble plus water, good. Okay, so snap sodium, nitrogen, potassium. Okay, next we have insoluble chlorides. Okay, insoluble chlorides, so we have Pa. So Pa, like silver and mercury. Okay, anything with Pa is insoluble. Okay, AgCl, no good water. Okay, PbCl, no good water. Okay, next we have insoluble sulfates. Okay, sulfate, suka. Okay, we have Blyatttt. Okay, suka. Barium, calcium and lead. Okay, BaSO4. Sorry. BaSO4, no good water. Okay, no good water, suka. Okay, CaSO4, no good water. Okay, no good water also. Okay, insoluble carbonates. Okay, all insoluble, suka, all insoluble. Okay, except snap. Okay, CaCO3, no good water. Okay, no good water, low water. Okay, suka. What this? PbCO3, also no good water. Okay, no water. K2CO3, K2CO3 equals good water because KCO3 is in snap. Okay, sodium. No blood, no sodium, potassium. Okay, potassium. So potassium is snap. So snap is all soluble. Okay, so K2CO3 is soluble, so equals good water. Okay, Blyatttt. Okay, bye bye.